Okay, so I'm going to run this. I'll pull this up to a known angle. We'll get all the measurements in a minute, and I'll just do, okay, I think we're all set to go. Let me make sure my mouse is lined up. Okay, good. So I'm going to pull this here. It's about 30. Nothing's perfect in the world, okay? Okay, so let's take a look. Maybe let's start. So that was my attempt. You can try to get the angle from the picture. This is not a perfect estimate, so there's some error. But that was about 30 degrees. Take a look at the heights. You want to get the radii, or the, not the radii, the ruler measurements. Yeah. Again, nothing's perfect, so probably to the nearest ½ centimeter is good enough. Is that good?
Yeah.
Now let's get this strain here. Let me move this over just a second. Okay, this has got a, so let's look right here first. Can you see these numbers?
Yeah.
That gives you several different times, so that's giving an average speed. Notice it's actually getting longer and longer, so I'll let you think about that. But not too bad, it's about the same. Now let's look over here. So here I can see, whoops, come on you. Okay, that's kind of giving you the numbers there. Remember, the x-axis is time, the vertical axis is force. Time is in seconds, force is in newtons. Let's go check this one down here. Oops, come on. Right down here. I'm going to do a couple more, all right?
Yeah.
Well, that's not what I wanted. Let's get this one over here. Okay. And let's get this one down here, say. Oh my gosh, I'm having some trouble seeing this thing right now. So that gives you a couple of different measurements. You can kind of see most of them look like they're about at that. So hopefully that's good enough. So you got the times, you got the forces, the ups and the downs. We've got the distances. I think you got everything you need.